Ponytail Books for sending me this lovely book. When Daddy was a little boy, and the author is Alexander Raskin. And today I am going to do a chapter 5 from this book. And there are many lovely chapters. Look, there are many chapters in this book, and I like it. How Daddy decided what he wanted to be. When Daddy was a little boy, he was often asked what to do you want to be when you grow up, and little Daddy always had a ready answer, but each time it was different one. At first, he wanted to be a night watchman. But a night watchman? He liked to think about the whole town being asleep, while the night watchman would be up all night. He was positive he wanted to be a night watchman when he grew up, but then a ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. Why, if he were an ice cream man, he could push a cart and eat all the ice cream he wanted to. I'll eat up a pop of everyone I sell, while little Daddy thought, and I'll treat everyone little child to ice cream free. Oh yes! First try. Little Daddy parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream man. They thought that was very funny, but he was thinking that I will eat all the ice cream. We and kids are all going to eat all the ice cream. When little Daddy saw a man in overalls at the railroad station, the man was playing with the cars. Locomotives. He had jumped on a platform. When I was small, I'm just doing like that only. But now I don't do, because now I know not to jump on a platform. If it's a glass one, it will break and then we will get hurt. Daddy has a shutter. Now, little Daddy knew what he wanted to be. Just think, he had stunk red road cars. What in the world could be more fun? Why, nothing can, little Daddy said. He was going to be an shunter. Some asked him, but what about selling ice cream? This was a problem. Little Daddy had decided to become a shunter, but he didn't want to give up. Pushing a bright green ice cream cart, at last he found a way out. I'll be a shunter and ice cream man. Everyone was very surprised, but little Daddy explained it all quite simply. The Daddy think it was simple what to do in it. That's not hard at all. Look, I told you. I sell ice cream in the shunt some cars. Then go back to sell some more ice cream. Then I'll go back to the station and shunt some more cars again, and then I'll sell some more ice cream. It won't be hard, because I'll park my cart near the station and won't have very far to go. Everyone smiled again. Little Daddy got angry and said, if you are going to laugh at me, I'll be a night watchman. Besides, there's nothing to do at night anyway. So it was the settled. But then little Daddy decided he'd be a pilot. Then he had to to do everything for be a pilot. With the plane, zoop, pilot. After that, he thought he'd be an actor, like Mickey Mouse actor. But when he and Grandpa visited a factory, he decided he'd be a turner. And anyway, he'd always wanted to be a sailor. Oh no! How much you will do, sailor? When a shark breaks the hole, it will come. The water will come on the ship, where they will sink in the water and die. Sailor unleashed a step hard like cowboy and spent his days working all with the cows, cracking a long whip. Finally, little daddy decided he really wanted to be a dog. He wanted to be a bow bow bow. He wanted to be a dog. That day he scooted around on all of fours, barking the strangers. Bow 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 bow. He even tried to bite and idly. Only your teeth will only break. Little Daddy learned how to bark very well, but he couldn't learn how to scratch behind his ear. Like, we can't do it. Scratch ear. He couldn't learn how to scratch behind his ear and his foot. Huh? We'll do a foot scratch and we'll fence a foot behind his ear and a foot. He tried very hard. He decided that if he went outside, sat next to Spot, he'd learn more quickly. That's exactly what he did. A man was walking down the street. Just then he stopped to look at little Daddy. While after him for a while, he said, "What are you doing?" "I want to be a dog," said Daddy replied. The man said, "Don't you want to be a boy?" "I've already been a boy for a long time," little Daddy said. "What kind of boy are you if you can't even be a dog?" The man said, "That's not what the person should be." "What should I be?" You are looking like this. Should be. And he walked away and he laughing and didn't even smile. But little Daddy suddenly felt very ashamed of himself and he began to think. He thought and thought and thought. What? And the more he thought, the more ashamed he was. So, decide fast. The man hadn't explained anything to him, but he suddenly understood that he couldn't change his mind about what he wanted to be every day and what is most important. He realized that he was still too young. He really know what he wanted to be. The next time he was asked that question, he remembered the man on the street and said, "I want to be a person." No one laughed. That's when Daddy understood that this was the best answer of all. He still thinks so. First of all, you have to be a good person. That's what I want to be. That's what really counts, no matter whether you are a polite pilot or a shepherd or an ice cream man. And after all, a person doesn't really need to be able to scratch behind his ear with his foot. So, now my chapter is over. Bye bye. And no, I want to be a author for now. And then I'm going to be with my dad and a car business. I'm going to do him with him and help him. And what are going to be you? There in the Instagrams. Bye bye. Thank you. When daddy was in the